In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Acuity scheduling. We'll set this up using Zapier so your emails work hand in hand with your appointments. By the end, you'll have an automation that reacts the moment something happens in Acuity or Gmail without you lifting a finger. Start by opening Zapier and creating a new Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow with a trigger and an action. Think of the trigger as the event that starts everything, and the action as what you want to happen next. For the trigger, you have two solid options. If you want Gmail to respond when a client books with you, choose Acuity Scheduling as the app and select New Appointment as the event. This is the most common choice for sending confirmations, reminders, or internal notifications tied to bookings. If your workflow begins with an incoming message instead, choose Gmail as the app and New Email as the event, which is useful if you want to act on specific emails and link them to your scheduling process. Next, connect your Acuity account to Zapier. You'll be prompted to sign in and approve access so Zapier can see appointment details. Then connect your Gmail account the same way. Make sure you're using the correct accounts for your business so the right calendar and inbox are involved. Now choose what Gmail should do. You can have Zapier send a Gmail email immediately, create a Gmail draft for review, or send a notification email to yourself or your team. Sending an email is perfect for instant confirmations or follow-ups. Creating a draft gives you a safety net to personalize before sending. A notification email is great for internal alerts so you never miss a new booking. With the action chosen, map your fields. Pull in the client's name, appointment time, and email from Acuity so your message is personalized and accurate. Use the appointment time in both the subject and the body so it's easy to scan. If your audience is in different time zones, consider including the time zone label so there's no confusion. For the recipient, map the client's email for client-facing messages or your own address for internal notifications. Once everything looks good, turn your Zap on. That toggle is what makes your automation live. From here on out, each new appointment or email, depending on your trigger, will kick off the action you set, saving you time and keeping communications consistent. And that's it. You've connected Gmail to Acuity Scheduling in Zapier, set your trigger, chosen your action, mapped your details, and turned it on. Enjoy the time you'll get back.